Hello friends, what a gorgeous, beautiful day to go for a ride in the 73 Buick Estate Wagon here in the hills of East Tennessee. I just wanted to get it out, take a quick video, show you how wonderful the original style translucent wood grain came out on the car. It's an absolute match to what was originally installed on our clamshells. It's gorgeous, it's translucent, it changes color depending on the paint color that's underneath it. That way it matches all colors of our wagons. Super easy to apply. You can apply it wet or dry. I suggest wet so you can get all the bubbles and wrinkles out. But I just wanted to do a quick walk around so you can see the entire thing and see what we have. And in the sun and in the shade, it's an absolute perfect match to what we had. Here comes a very loud something or another, so excuse the noise. Ford. I just want to take a minute to show you how my vinyl wrap guy really pulled this off and made an identical product to our original. So thrilled. Any questions, reach out. I'll help you any way I can. Y'all have a good weekend.